Hello students, let's do question number 13 and 14 both. Exercise 5.1, chapter 5, lines and angles, class 7 mathematics. So for 13th one is fill in the blanks. If two angles are complementary, then the sum of their measure is 90 degree. We know this very well. अगर दो एंगल्स complementary है तो उनका sum 90 और supplementary है तो 180. So if two angles are supplementary, then the sum of their measure is 180 degree. Third, two angles forming a linear pair. Two angles forming a linear pair are supplementary. Their sum is 180 degree. So supplementary or 180 degree. Next, if two adjacent angles are supplementary, this is the converse. इसी का converse है third का. तो if two adjacent angles are supplementary हो रहे हैं, then they form a linear pair. Next, if two lines intersect at a point, then the vertically opposite angles are always equal. ये टू लाइन्स इंटरसेक्ट करती हैं तो दिस एंगल इक्वल्स टू दिस वन और ये वाला एंगल इसके इक्वल. सो ऑलवेज इक्वल. एंड द लास्ट, इफ टू लाइन्स इंटरसेक्ट एट ए पॉइंट, if two lines intersect at a point and if one pair of vertically opposite angles are acute angle, then the other pair of vertically opposite angle are, अब इसको बना लेते हैं पहले तो समझ में आ जाएगा. सो दिस इज वन ऑफ द लाइन एंड दिस इज अनदर लाइन. अब ये देखो, ये वाला अगर एक्यूट है, दिस वन अगर ये एक्यूट है तो अदर वाला कितना होगा, ऑब्ट्यूस होगा. ये एक्यूट, क्योंकि दोनों का सम कितना होना चाहिए, 180 होना चाहिए. वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल वन एक्यूट, अदर विल बी ऑब्ट्यूस. सो राइट, then the other pair of vertically opposite angles are obtuse angles. This completes our question number 13th. Now we'll do the 14th one. So let's do 14th. Next question. In the adjoining figure, name the following pair of angles. So figure is given to us. First, obtuse vertically opposite angles. Just now we have seen the sixth part. Similarly here also हमें vertically opposite angles obtuse वाला बताना है. तो ये acute वाला, see two lines, always mark two lines. So where are the two lines, just see. This is the first line and this is the second one. Now don't see the incomplete line. This incomplete line is given only to confuse you. Now ये acute हो गए, but we need to find obtuse. हमें obtuse vertically opposite angle निकालने हैं. तो obtuse वाला कौन सा हुआ, this one or this one. So these two are, ये वापस से मार्क कर देते हैं, this two, जहाँ दो लाइन से करी, this one first and this one second. This is the obtuse vertically opposite angle. So कौन कौन सा है लिख दो, AOD and BOC. बनाना चाहें तो वापस बना भी सकते हैं. इस लाइन को छोड़ के बना लेते हैं. ये देखो A, दिस इज C, B और D. तो ये देखो, ये हुआ पूरा, ये पूरा और ये पूरा. ये ऑब्ट्यूस है और ये दोनों क्या हुए, एक्यूट एंगल हुए. तो ये वर्टिकली ऑपोजिट एंगल्स ऑब्ट्यूस वाले क्या होगा, AOD BOC. दिस इज द फर्स्ट पार्ट. नाउ विल डू द सेकेंड पार्ट. सेकेंड वन, एडजेसेंट कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री एंगल्स. एडजेसेंट होना चाहिए एंड कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री भी होना चाहिए. सो इन दिस फिगर ओनली, ऑल फिगर्स आर सेम. सो दिस टू आर कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री because their sum is 90. It is given to us 90 degree. This is perpendicular. So ये दोनों एडजेसेंट भी है और कॉम्प्लीमेंट्री भी है. सो विच आर दे? राइट द नेम. AOB, AOE. AOB angle and AOE. So this is a pair of adjacent also, complementary also. Next, equal supplementary angles. Equal as well as supplementary. So two equals and supplementary are only this one, which are perpendicular. This is the first one and this is the second one. So this two sum is 180 and they are adjacent also and they are supplementary because their sum is 180 degree. So we'll write BOE and DOE. These two angles are equal as well as their sum is 180 and means supplementary. Now next one, unequal supplementary angles. Unequal and supplementary, but supplementary. So there are two pairs are there. First this one, see, AOB and AOD. एक तो ये पेयर हो गया. इन दोनों का सम कितना आ रहा है? 180. और ये अनइक्वल है, ये एक एक्यूट है, एक ऑब्ट्यूस है. तो फर्स्ट पेयर तो हमारे पास आ गया. फर्स्ट पेयर इज AOB and AOD. This is the first pair. There is one more pair in it. See the downside. BOC. This one obtuse angle BOC and this one acute. BOC, DOC. BOC and DOC, right? Are there any more? Yes, one more is there. So let's find out that also. This line, see इस AC line को देखो, इसमें दो एंगल आ रहे हैं, ये वाला और ये वाला, AOB BOC. तो थर्ड वन AOB BOC. So these are the three pairs. If there are more, you find out. Now we'll do the last part of this question. Question number 5. Adjacent angles that do not form a linear pair. Adjacent angles बताने हैं जो linear pair नहीं बना रहे, 180 degree नहीं बना रहे, 90 degree it is okay. So there are again so many pairs. So let's find out. First one, this two only, this one and this one. These two are 90 degree, sum is 90 degree and they are adjacent also and they are not forming linear pair. ये linear pair भी नहीं बना रहे हैं, adjacent angles भी हैं और इनका sum 90 आ रहा है. So first one AOB and AOE. Second और भी है. So let's find out. Second one देखो, AOE and DOE. ये वाला और ये वाला. Because इन दोनों का सम, ये लाइन नहीं है, सी ये लाइन नहीं है, ये स्ट्रेट लाइन नहीं है, इस कारण से इन दोनों का सम 180 होगा ही नहीं और ये एडजेसेंट भी है. सो बी पेयर इज AOE and DOE. Now, so these are two pairs of adjacent angles that do not form a linear pair. So there are not more than two. So there are only two pairs in it. So I hope you understood. The topic is clear to you, and you must know before doing all these questions: supplementary angles, complementary angles, adjacent angles, linear pair. All these types of angles अगर आपको मालूम है, then you can do it easily all the questions because these are all conceptual questions. So I hope you understood. Thank you so much for watching the video.